Look at that. Hey, welcome back to the Busby Babes. We're going to be opening up the Beehive today. I think it's been 2 weeks, so we're going to go and see what's been happening in these last 2 weeks. Hopefully we got some honey. Well, they've done little bits of work in here. Not much, but they've done a little. We're going to take this off. Look at the size of him. He's huge. This box is so full. Lots of bees. Picking up that nectar again. We're just going to try and fly through this. That is unbelievable. That looks so cool. Wow, look at that. Look at that for brood. That is really nice. Same with this other side. That is really cool. Wouldn't be surprised if the queen was here somewhere. Oh, this is heavy. This is real heavy. Wow, just look at that honey. That is awesome. See that honey just here? Beautiful.
Tasty.
Oh, this is all brand new. Where? So this is one of the brand new frames that I just put in. So this is it wasn't a plastic frame, it was a beeswax frame. That's pretty cool. So they've already started on that, which is great. Same with this other one. Wow, there's so much honey here. They've done really well. Everything's so sticky. Oh wow. Alright, we're not going to remove that one because it's tearing away all the honey. This is pretty awesome. Everything's just stuck together. Oh, this is so heavy. Oh my god. Well, you don't get much fuller than this. Holy camole. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This is so full. Both sides, look at that. That is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Wow. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a little taste of this. Look at that. Holy, that is amazing. Wow. Wow, that's so cool. Wow. Oh, that is crazy. Whoa. That is so crazy, yeah. That is. Oh, it's getting a bit windy. Sorry, bees. Yeah, so I think we've seen enough up here. I think we're just going to close this one up. Hello. There's my little friend. Oh, he's actually stung me somewhere because he's lost his stinger. Well, there seems to be lots and lots and lots of honey, which is really cool. Pretty cool, eh? How'd they get a bit of wood in there? That's some very old wax. I'm slowly working my way through each frame one by one. I'm being careful and deliberate here because somewhere on these frames could be the most important bee in the hive, the queen. She can be tricky to spot, so I'm not rushing. I'm looking for her longer body, the way the workers move around her, and any fresh signs that she's been laying. While I search for the queen, I'm also checking the brood pattern. This is a really important part of the inspection. I'm looking for eggs standing upright in the cells, tiny larvae curled at the bottom, and capped brood with a nice even pattern. Seeing brood in different stages tell me the queen has been active recently and the colony is functioning well. At the same time, I'm keeping an eye out for anything that doesn't look right. I'm checking the brood for odd colours, sunken or perforated cappings, or any unusual smells, all potential signs of disease. Healthy brood should look clean, consistent, and well cared for by the workers. Each frame tells part of the story of this hive. By checking for the queen, healthy brood, and any signs of disease, I can get a clear picture of how this colony is going and what, if anything, they might need from me. This is what a routine hive inspection looks like. Slow, careful, and always led by what the bees show you. Oh shit. Oh, they're not going to be happy with that. They're getting really annoyed now. Subscribe to your favorite beekeeper, and we'll see you next time.